Pneumatic impact wrench. Pneumatic power impact wrenches deliver extremely high power to fasten and loosen bolts or nuts for quick assembling and disassembling jobs. Pneumatic angle grinder. A pneumatic angle, vertical, grinder has a speed rating suitable for sanding, rust removal, rough grinding and cutting applications. Pneumatic and electric angle descalers. Handheld mechanical scaling machines based on the patented rotating chain link system. Pneumatic die grinder. Compact and easy to handle air tool designed for precision grinding, reshaping of machine parts, grinding small castings, removing welding slags, and sharpening and finishing wood, glass, and plastics. Pneumatic straight grinder. A pneumatic high-speed straight, horizontal, grinder. Compact, lightweight, and easy to operate. Speed governors are built in to control the spindle speed. Pneumatic derusting brush. Long tool life due to grinded conical wheels made of high-strength material. The compact design makes rust removal easy, even in places that are difficult to reach. Pneumatic hand drill. For use on light and medium-duty drilling, power is controlled by a built-in air regulator located on the pistol or grip handle for adjusting to different drilling surfaces. Pneumatic rotary drill. Powerful rotary drills have a very smooth operation for accurate drilling, reaming, tapping and tube rolling. Pneumatic chipping hammer. Powerful hammers for billet chipping, general chipping, and the removal of caulking, weld flux, paint and rust in limited space. Pneumatic scaling hammer. Suitable for the removal of old paint and rust. Pneumatic deck scaler. For use in removing scales and surface paint from the ship's deck. The scaler has a handle, allowing the operator to stand during use, relieving fatigue and protecting the eyes from dust and chipped metal or scale. Large area deck descaler. Rust, paint removal from all areas of ship's decks. Scaling machine. The main feature of this machine is scraping rust and paints from any metal surface. It can also be transformed into a versatile tool able to perforate, cut and grind. Rust removal machine. Designed for efficient removal of rust, paint and old covering from large surfaces.